Hi there, my name is Kevin Moats, and I'm a Networking and Security TAM here at VMware. This is my 5th year as a volunteer in the VMware Hands-On Lab program. Along with my co-captains, I've released 3 labs this year, as well as a couple lightning labs. All of these labs are NSXT focused. The first one is NSXT Getting Started, the second one is NSXT Advanced Security, and the third one is NSXT Advanced Troubleshooting and Kubernetes Integration. This is my 2nd year focusing on NSXT as a technology. Prior to that, I worked on a partner lab, securing Horizon View with NSXV and Trend Micro for 3 years. That experience allowed me to work with our partner program side by side with engineers from Trend Micro, and I got to learn a lot about that technology as well. The past 2 years focusing on NSXT within the hands-on lab environment has helped me accelerate my career and better serve my customers. During this time, I was promoted to a staff TAM and moved into the networking and security TAM role here at VMware. The development work on the labs has also put me much closer to our networking and security business unit and given me the opportunity to work with some of our lead product managers, such as Ray Bavardi and Catherine Fan. I think my favorite part of developing the labs is the problem solving and the ability to think outside of the box and do things that aren't supposed to be done. You really get to learn a technology when you are constrained by running things within the hands-on lab environment in an unsupported fashion. My favorite experience in the hands-on labs was during our VMworld shows last year in Barcelona and San Francisco. I had the opportunity to teach some expert-led workshops along with my co-captain Joe Collin and James Emmons. It's really fulfilling and exciting to get up in front of 50 to 100 people and teach them a new technology. I would recommend becoming a volunteer for the hands-on lab environment. It's a lot of work, but it's a ton of fun. And hopefully once all the COVID stuff clears up, it'll be a free ticket to Europe and San Francisco. Thanks. Have a great day.